All right, I'm going to try this at a different angle. When we're looking at this one, it's got some areas that really need some help here. This one in particular, you can see they squared it off instead of rounding it out. Basically, somebody went through and at all the intersections just put big bubbles and circles there, and it's not necessarily helping. But if we go through and we round this and make it look kind of like a stone or something, these edges, these corners are now rounded out. And I'm using the small one right now just to kind of show you. And then too, what ends up happening is I keep getting a line quality that's not great, so I'm going to go back and do that. So we can see this is nice rounded shape now. If we go into this one, I'm just going to round out this corner and then fill it in. Got a little bump here, right there, that I'm going to take care of. And then sometimes when I take care of one little bump, I make another little bump. So I'm going to move back in here and just kind of keep going over that line and try and straighten it out. Again, this one, this triangle right here definitely has not had a corner rounded. So I'm going to start with that line, just round out from that other line. Because I let my pen sit there too long, it made a big bump. So I'm going to get rid of that. Rounding out that corner. Rounding out that corner. If it's easier to see sometimes, you can draw the whole shape and then go in and fill in. But sometimes I just need to go through here and kind of just clean up some of the edges. Right here. And because this paper, so it likes water, it's watercolor paper, so it likes water, so it soaks up the marker kind of well. If you're not moving your pen at a consistent rate, it may leave a little bit of a bump there, so because it likes to absorb the ink. So we're just going to straighten all these out. Round in that corner, filling it in a little bit, round in that corner. But if you've got a hard angle, we're trying to make these all organic shapes. The hard angles are called like geometric shapes. The rounder ones are organic, which means that it resembles nature, like organic food. I'm just straightening out some of these edges. And tightening up the line quality here. anything that looks kind of like it has a corner, that's the things I'm going to want to round out.